Investors and traders, welcome to the channel. Market chart pattern today is 5th of January 2025. Hope everyone is having a great weekend. We'll be taking a look at the crypto markets, mainly the Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and then also a brief look at the SUI as mentioned in the comments. As always, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not a financial advice. We are looking at the chart of Lucas time spiral. If you're interested in getting to know how this is constructed, then I highly recommend you watch the video from the archives in which I explain how it is constructed. And what I will also be doing is try to find that video and put a link in the description for the video. As always, this video is for educational purposes and not a financial advice. So let's start by taking a look at where we are now. So Bitcoin has put in a key high at roughly around 100,000 level, a little bit higher, and the market has been just trading in that trading range for quite some time. We actually had, based on this model, a really key date come in March of 2024, and that's when we saw the Bitcoin put in a high, and then we added 7 months to it, and we were really watching for the month of September. In the month of September, the market was just going, putting in a bottom or a consolidation, and then we saw a really nice move higher in the month of November. Now, the key timing coming up for us is the month of March of 2025, and following that is gonna be the September and October time frame. So there is a chance that what we are looking at in Bitcoin, we could have some retracement come in, but we'll just be taking a look at that on our weekly charts. So this is the key timing that we need to be watching. Now let's actually move back to the chart where we are doing our work. So here we go. Move to the weekly charts. And there we go. So this is the weekly chart, and here what we are looking at is we have the 1.618 expansion and the 1.272 a projection of this AB leg, which is right here, and this came in about 101,000, roughly 102,000, and what the market is doing is actually it's just found resistance from this level, and it's just going in a range bound fashion. So we are really watching for the 85,000 mark. This should hold. If it doesn't, 85, 84,000, it could open up further downside, maybe to about 70,000. That is possible. So that is more on the daily chart. So this is the daily chart. Here we can see in Bitcoin, there's a possibility we are in this ABCD structure lower, right to the 85,000. The market has retraced back to this 38.2% retracement. So in stronger trending markets, if it begins to find resistance from here, we could see a move down. Getting above this will be a pretty good sign, but the chances are the market might remain range bound. So this is what we are watching in the Bitcoin. Now let's take a look at the Ethereum. So this is the daily chart of Ethereum. Let me go to the weekly chart. This is what we are following. So Ethereum is basically range bound. It's range bound between this 4,000 level, which is the 78.6% retracement, and this level of roughly about 2,100. And it's not likely, I don't know exactly when it's likely to move out of this range, but if the Bitcoin remains under pressure, it's also going to pressure Ethereum, and we could see the bottom end of this range being actually tested. So that remains a possibility in what is happening with the Ethereum. For Ethereum to really move higher, it really needs to break up above convincingly on weekly closing basis above 4,000. Otherwise, it just remains more of a trading range affair. Then if we take a look at Solana, there we go. So Solana has been actually pretty strong market, but it's also putting a double top right here. We can see that this is the double top, and where it is this is the I think this 1.618 expansion, or very close to it, and then it has pulled back right into this 20-week moving average. So Solana is also, this is the double top formation right here. It needs to hold. It's pretty much there on this weekly chart. Yeah, really needs to hold this 61.8% retracement, which is around 168, 170 mark. Really careful, really well. And then it looks like it might be of a trading range of fear at the moment as well. But if we go back and take a look at this on the daily chart, we can see that it actually moved in this channel formation. It found support pretty much from that 61.8% retracement, but not exactly. And now what it is doing is it is hitting that resistance level coming in from the 61.8% retracement from all the way up there to here. So what can happen is whether it's going to happen or not, but there's a chance we could have a corrective structure like this in play, which could see, you know, maybe Solana hit about 145 level, which is going to be the 78.6% retracement, and that is going to be the, here we go, the expansion. So yeah, 150, 145. That is possibility if indeed it turns out to be a resistance structure resistance coming in right from the 61.8% retracement. So this is what we are watching in the key crypto. So just a quick video about that. And getting above the 220 is gonna be good. So what we can watch for is this retracement level right here. Between 220 and 230, that's gonna be a resistance level. Getting above the 230, I think that's more constructive for Solana. But this is what we are watching here. And if we look at this SUI, here we go. Here we go. In the SUI, I'm gonna go to the monthly chart right here. This is not something I've looked before. And it also seems to be quite new, coming out May of 2023. So we can see that it has had a pretty good strong move. There we go, pretty strong move. And here, if we just take the retracement, yeah, it's a little bit difficult to say, but looks like where we are, this is going to be the 2.618 expansion of this. It might actually begin to go into a trading range, but it looks very strong, so that may not happen, but we'll just keep on watching it on the daily chart. There we go. So it has had a strong move last couple of days, but it may begin to go in a range bound fashion, just because it's hitting that 2.618. So maybe between where it is now and 550 is the key level to watch for in this market, for SUI, and we'll try to keep a track of it in our videos to follow. So this is what we are watching in the key crypto markets, which is the Bitcoin and Solana and Ethereum for us. So let's keep on watching for the for the further videos that I'll post out. So thank you very much for watching the video. Good luck, good trading, and speak to you guys soon.